family and friends. Multi-ROM 3. Unit 5.
A. Naughty monkey.
Listening 44. Listen and point.
Penguin, zebra, monkey, kangaroo, camel, lizard, flamingo, crocodile, flamingo, penguin, kangaroo, zebra, camel, monkey, crocodile, lizard,
Listen and repeat.
penguin, zebra, monkey, kangaroo, camel, lizard, flamingo, crocodile.
Listening 45. Listen and read.
I love the zoo. I like the penguins.
Max, I can't see. Are you watching the monkeys?
Yes, I am. They're funny.
Max!
Wait, I'm watching this funny monkey.
Look, the monkey is taking your sandwich.
That's my sandwich.
I can't see. Is the monkey eating the sandwich?
No, it isn't. It's taking my book.
And my bag.
Come here, Holly.
Look, the monkey is giving our things to Holly.
It likes you.
Listening 46. Listen and sing. Are there monkeys climbing?
Are the monkeys climbing? Yes, they are. Are the zebras running? Yes, they are. Are the tigers walking? Are the parrots talking? Are the monkeys climbing? Yes, they are. Are the penguins swimming? Yes, they are. Are the parrots flying? Yes, they are. Are the lizards eating? Are the lions sleeping? Are the penguins swimming? Yes, they are.
Listening 47. Listen and point.
Fork, horse, corn, straw, paw, yawn,
Listen and repeat.
fork, horse, corn, straw, paw, yawn.
Listening 48. Listen and chant.
Look at the dog. It's drinking with a straw. It's holding the straw with its 2 front paws. Look at the horse. It's holding a fork. It's eating corn with the farmer's fork.
Listening 49. Listen and point.
Angry, scared, free, sorry, funny, kind, sorry, free, funny, angry, kind, scared,
Listen and repeat.
angry, scared, free, sorry, funny, kind.
Listening 50. Listen and read.
One day, a lion is sleeping. A mouse runs over the lion's nose, and the lion wakes up. The lion is angry. The mouse is scared. "I'm very sorry," says the mouse. "Don't eat me. I can help you one day." The lion laughs. "That's funny," it says. "You are little. How can you help me?" But the lion is not angry now. The mouse runs away. 1 year later, the lion is walking in the jungle. A big net falls over the lion. The lion opens its mouth and roars. The mouse hears the lion and it runs to help. "Don't move," says the mouse. "I can help you." The mouse chews the net and makes a big hole. The lion is free. "Thank you," says the lion. "You are little, but you are kind."
Listening 51. Listen and write the numbers. Number 1.
Look at the tiger. It's eating. Look at the monkey. It's climbing.
Number 2.
The tiger is sleeping now. The monkey is eating a banana.
Number 3.
Look at the banana. It's falling. Oh no! The tiger isn't sleeping now.
Number 4.
The tiger is angry. It's watching the monkey. It wants to eat the monkey. The monkey is scared. It's running.